Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we have a very exciting review for you. We're diving into the world of high-performance laptops with the latest 15.6-inch model, featuring 16GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the powerful Intel Quad-Core N95 Processor. This laptop isn't just about raw power. It comes equipped with Windows 11, offering a sleek and intuitive user experience. From the new Start menu to advanced multitasking features, Windows 11 takes your productivity to the next level. First, let's talk about design. This laptop features a stunning metal body that not only looks premium, but also ensures durability. At just 15.6 inches, it's the perfect size for both portability and productivity. The 1080p display offers crisp and clear visuals, ideal for both work and entertainment. Now, on to performance. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, this laptop handles multitasking and storage with ease. The Intel Quad-Core N95 Processor ensures smooth and efficient performance. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or browsing the web, connectivity is crucial in today's digital age. And this laptop doesn't disappoint. It comes with a variety of ports, including a TF card slot, USB Type-C, and more. Whether you need to connect to external devices, transfer data, or charge your phone, this laptop has you covered. Wireless connectivity is equally impressive. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, you can enjoy fast internet speeds and seamless connections to all your Bluetooth devices. Battery life is another strong point. The 38Wh battery ensures that you can use the laptop for hours without needing to recharge. Whether you're working remotely, attending classes, or just browsing at your local cafe, this laptop will keep up with your day. I love how fast and responsive this laptop is. It handles everything I throw at it without any lag. In conclusion, this 15.6-inch laptop with 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB SSD, and the Intel Quad-Core N95 Processor offers an unbeatable combination of performance, design, and connectivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, this laptop is sure to meet your needs. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. See you next time.